Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, we're going to talk about bug out bags for our dogs and our cats. As everyone knows, Sean and I, we rescue and we foster and we adopt, especially special needs cats and dogs. So if you have special needs dogs and cats, the one thing that you are definitely going to want to pack in their bug out bag is their medication. Now, out of our 8 cats, their special need is for their digestive system. So their digestive system requires special food. So, and there's Patches. She's one of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything that's in their bug out bags, okay? And we do have 8 cats and 3 dogs. So we do have separate bags for them, okay? Not everything can fit in one bag. And like I have said in previous videos, if we were to ever bug out, we would have to have a serious reason for bugging out. And I mean serious, like this house would have to be on fire in order for us to leave because of how many animals we have. Okay, so first and foremost, this is about 3 days worth of supply for our crew. Okay, we have 2 bags of dry cat food. And you'll see 2 different kinds of dry cat food. We have Iams and we have Purina cat chow. Now this is the Gentle for gentle stomachs, and this is for proactive health. Okay, and these are the 2 types of food that they eat, they tolerate. Okay, and here comes Stormy. Hello. And so these are the 2 small bags that I bought to take with us if we were to ever bug out. I did grab, I keep this on hand, some wet cat food. Oh, Stormy Bug, really? And this is... these are, I believe these were 85 cents at Target. I had coupons, buy 5, get 5 free. Plus they were on sale. Girls, Patches, why are you beating up your sister? Capone, don't condone that behavior. She just smacked her back. Did you see that? Yeah, I don't know what the hell that was. Anyway, these are 2 feedings, okay? They were buy 5, get 1 free with the coupon, plus Target had them on sale, buy 12, get 2 free. Plus I had another coupon where you spend $25 on certain brands. This was one of the brands, along with Nitro and Iams and something else, Pedigree. And you get a $5 gift card to Target. So I saved a lot of money. Plus, Iams was through the Target app. You got 10% off if you use the Target app. So, saved a lot of money there. So, we have enough wet food for these guys for 3 days for all 8 cats. Plus, got to get treats to keep them calm, especially in a situation where you will be bugging out. You know, because they need normalcy in their life as well. Stormy, no, you cannot have that. See, they're happy and they're excited because they think Mommy's going to give us treats today. And then, especially with a few of our guys, they do have severe anxiety. And that little girl right over there, that baby cat, she's one of them. So this is what we have her on. And you're saying, cat crack? What could that possibly be? This is all organic catnip. You can find this on Amazon for $10. So this is all organic. It works really well. Our guys really love it. I like to keep this in the house, especially during hurricane season, because these guys do get a little crazy. Hi, Stormy. You're smelling it, you're liking it, and you want it. I know. He's like, give it, Mommy. So, okay, can I finish? Is that possible? No, not today? Okay. And then we also have these bowls right here. These are stackable bowls. They are, there's 2 dishes in 1 bowl. We have 8 cats, so 2 can eat out of the same bowl, which is no, Stormy, no. And then have an extra one for water. They do have harnesses. These are actually dog harnesses, but our guys are not your average dainty house cat. So I got small dog harnesses and they fit them just fine. Stormy Bug, come on, yes. And then leashes, obviously. Okay, so okay, yes, Penelope, I know, it's so exciting. And then of course we have a case of water for the dogs and the cats. Now, I did find at Dollar Tree today, I thought this was a good little find here. This will go in with our first aid kit that we do have for our pets. This is another first aid kit. It was at Dollar Tree. It's got 8 cotton swabs, 1 tweezer, a mini scissors, adhesive bandages, safety pins, and a multi-functional knife. So for $1, you can't go wrong. Now over here for our puppies, we have collapsible bowls. Got these on Amazon for $10. So there's 4. So we have 3 dogs, so 3 can obviously be used for food, 1 for water. We have 2 extra bowls here for water. We have these, to pick up their messes. They obviously have their own leashes and harnesses. And then here is 3 days worth of wet food. Now our guys generally don't eat wet food. I generally only feed them wet food in the winter time and in case of an emergency. So, and for a treat, because they deserve a treat as well. And then here is 2 bags. This is about 3 days worth right here of dry dog food. And then of course their favorite cookies. So this all goes right into their bug out bags. Now this is what it would take to run our crew for 3 days. So, Stormy, temperamental much? So, no, baby cat, I know you smell it, but you can't have it right now, okay? No, okay. Yes, why don't you go lay down? Why don't you go lay down? Because you're going to knock everything over. Yes. Sean, could you come get your cat, please? Oh, no, she's knocking everything over. So anyway, this is pretty much it for our guys for Bug Out. Yeah, that's right. I forgot about this. Now for litter boxes. To buy the disposable litter boxes for 8 cats, listen, that would be like paying an electric bill. That's going to be way too much money. So I devised a plan, okay? Go to Dollar Tree, get the roasting pans, the foil roasting pans, fill these up with litter. There you go. I bought 4 of them. And you can just rinse them out with the hose, reuse, you're good. And that is it. I feel that, I know what it takes to run this crew on a daily basis, and this is what it would take to feed my crew, take care of my crew for 3 days. And that is about it. Between water, food, treats, their harnesses, their leashes, their medication. I also have their flea and tick treatments, their bowls, their litter. We're good to go. I also have, all of I have their shot records and their vet records in with our bags because, that is very important information. I have all of their tags and everything that's already on their on their harnesses already. You know, their rabies tags and everything is already on their harnesses already. So, but I also keep, you know, carbon copies in with our records. You know, with our birth certificates, our social security, everything is all together in one folder in a waterproof container. So, you know, that would obviously go with us. But that is all really for this. This is what it takes to keep our guys going for about 3 days. So please leave in the comment section below what it would take to take care of your guys in a bug out situation for about 72 hours. Okay, that's all for this video. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.